Now this smartphone has dual front camera, 18:9 Full HD display, dual rear camera, glass back, and costs just ₹10,999 rupees. Yes, we are talking about none other than the Honor 9 Lite. And in today's video, we are gonna unboxing the Honor 9 Lite. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Opening up the box, we get the Honor 9 Lite wrapped in a plastic. We will come back to it in a while. A SIM ejector tool, and a hard case to protect the smartphone, and a warranty card and a quick start guide, and a wall adapter which is 5V and 2A one, and it is made in China. Now coming back to the smartphone felt quite premium in hand because of the glass back, but it also makes it quite slippery. So we recommend a hard case to protect it from unwanted drops. At the front we get dual 12+2 front camera, an earpiece, and a 5.65-inch Full HD display and Honor branding at the bottom. At the back we get a dual 12+2 megapixels camera located at the top left corner with a microphone and LED flash beside it, and a fingerprint sensor at the middle of the back. Volume rockers and the power button is located at the right side of the phone. Upper part is left pretty clean, and at the left we get the hybrid SIM slot. Speaker grill, micro USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone is located at the bottom of the phone. One of the best features of this smartphone is its 18:9 Full HD display. It is crisp, well saturated, and it gives an immersive experience. It is one of the best display we have seen at this price point. Fingerprint sensor is working quite well and it is quite fast enough. Honor 9 Lite is powered by a Kirin 659 processor, which is as fast as Snapdragon 636 processor. Coming to the software, the Honor 9 Lite is running on company's own custom UI, the EMUI 8.0 based on Android Oreo 8.0. There is no hiccup or lag in day-to-day tasks. It performs much better than its competitors. One of the best experience which you can get from this device is the gaming experience. It runs almost every game without any hiccups, and because of the 18:9 display, the gaming becomes more immersive. Honor 9 Lite is definitely a killer smartphone considering the price. It offers quite much, like the 18:9 display, Android Oreo out of the box, and a dual rear and front camera. What else you can get at this price point? That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.